Which side of the AI revolution do you want to be on? On the winning side or the losing side? Let me ask you something honestly. Which side of the AI revolution do you want to stand on? The side that's losing gigs or the side that's building leverage? Right now, AI is replacing tasks that once paid well. Graphic design mockups, basic video editing, ad copywriting, landing page drafts, logo creation, simple web design, draft reporting, even media buying, optimizations. These were reliable income streams. And yes, many freelancers and gig workers are feeling the pressure now. But here is what history teaches us: every revolution creates two groups, those who resist and those who ride the wave. AI is not just deleting work. At the same time, it is upgrading the game. The people who will win are not the ones who are learning 50 tools. They are the ones solving one clear problem, serving one specific niche, using AI as leverage, thinking like strategists, not task executors. If you combine strategy with AI, you don't lose income, you multiply it. This is not about fear, my friend. It is about positioning. If you want to learn how to move to the winning side, how to use AI the right way, focus on a micro niche, and build a scalable agency model, I'm conducting a workshop. I'll show you the exact path I'm following. No theory, no panic, just clarity. Register right now and see you in the workshop.